Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's King US Stereo Mentor. You know the vibes, guys. So we're back again with another video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and please make sure that you like this video. So today I'm going to talk about 5 mistakes that traders make that make them lose in the forex markets. They make you make losses in the forex markets. And if you have been making losses, this is your video. Please make sure that you stay until this video. I have something very big for you guys until the end of this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you hit that like button. It's King Studio Man, so you know the vibes. So let's just get into the video. I will try my best to not be long in this video, guys, so please make sure. So let's get into the video. Danko. All right, so the first point that I want to talk about is all right, let's see. Trading too many codes, having too many codes on your panel, So as a trader, the mistakes that beginners make in trading is that they try by all means to trade everything. You will see them trading gold, you see them trading GBP USD, you see them trading Euro USD, you see them trading Nasdaq, you see them trading US30, all the other currencies, right? So in order for you to actually make it in this industry, you need to make sure that you know what do you trade. You need to make sure that you trade at least two currencies or two instruments, or even if you trade one instrument, just like me, I only trade one instrument. I take on the currencies. I trade AUD USD. As you can see on my Instagram, I always post AUD USD. So why do I do this, and why you should do this as a trader? This will allow you to be disciplined, and this will allow you to know what happens in that currency or that CFD that you are trading. And this will help you to actually know how does that currency moves, and how does that currency works, or how does that currency behaves in the long run. So as a trader, you must be very alert, you must be very disciplined, you must be highly disciplined, and you must know what instrument do I trade. There are a lot of instruments, there are a lot of codes, there are a lot of currencies that you can trade, but you need to choose one or two currencies that you must trade in order for you to actually know what type of direction that you want in this market. Because if you have like so many codes in your panel, you will end up like losing focus. You will end up not knowing what to trade, because you will see like so many setups at one time. So you will end up getting confused on what you must do on that time. So you need to be very disciplined, guys. You need to be very disciplined. You need to know you must choose one currency, or you must choose one CFD, or two maximum, in order for you to actually be profitable as a trader. Moving on to number 2, over leveraging. So like many beginner traders tend to do this mistake, so let me just explain to you how you can actually get away from this thing of over leveraging. So if you are trading a small account, a micro account is less than 1,000 rand. So if you are trading that account, you must make sure that you have a leverage that is like 1:300, 1:400 rands, so that you can be able to cater for drawdowns in the market, because there are a lot of drawdowns. So if you put your entries, so you must cater for all these drawdowns that happen in the market, guys, so that your account can be safe. You cannot have a micro account and have a leverage of 1:1000. Yes, it's gonna make you a lot of money, but it's gonna make you a lot of losses too. So you need to stop over leveraging as a beginner, and you must use a smaller leverage, right? So use a leverage that is smaller, like 1:300, 1:200, so that you can cater for all the drawdowns in the markets, right? So that you can be safe. It's the trading market is very risky, guys. It is very risky, so you must make sure you try by all means that you secure your funds, you secure your equity, you secure even your profits, guys, so that you can be safe in these markets. Because if you over leverage, you're gonna make a lot of losses, and yes, you're gonna make a lot of profits. It is good on one side, the profit side. If you make losses, they're gonna be too much, they're gonna blow your account, you're gonna blow that account. So you must make sure that you trade at least one or two codes. You do not over leverage. If you are using a smaller a micro account, you must make sure that you do not over leverage. Let's say you are using a standard account. If you are using a standard account of let's say you have 1,500 rands in your account and upwards, you must make sure that your leverage at least is 1:500, right? So that you can cater for the drawdowns. Yes, we want to make money in the markets, but you need to be disciplined as a trader. Do not look for fast money, but you must grow your account, know how to double your account, know how to compound compound your profits in order for you to be able to make like enough profits. Look your profits like in a weekly time frame, right? So do not try to make like a lot of money today, because you're gonna actually, you stand at a high risk of blowing that account that you have, guys. So you need to be very alert. You need to be very like watch about what is happening in the market, so that you can protect your trading account, guys. So avoid these two mistakes that I have just mentioned to you. So let me just move on to another mistake that beginners do, guys. All right, so which is over trading. All right, so many beginners tend to do this thing, that they overtrade. So let's say maybe you have made profits for the day, so you just gonna have that thought that like, okay, that the day is still long, let me try and trade and trade and trade. Or let's say you make losses. So what beginners do is that whenever they make losses, they try to revenge the market, they try to revenge trade. And whenever you are revenging the market, 100% you're gonna make losses, guys. 100% you're gonna make losses if you revenge trade. So try your best to not over trade on the market. Even if you make profits, do not over trade. Even if how small those profits are, try to maintain your discipline as a trader, so that you can be able to protect your trading account, guys. Because let's say you make losses, right? So stop trying to revenge the markets, because the markets like is very tricky. It can play with your mind like very badly. So try to not over trade the market. Try by all means that if you make losses, step away from the market, get some fresh air so that you can be good. Try by all means to step away from the market whenever you have made like bigger losses. Try by all means to step away from the market. Even if you made profit, let's say you have a 1,500 account, you see a profits of 700 rands or 1,000 rands, you close those profits, you step away from the market, you are done in that day. Do not try to make more money. Do not force the market, do not push the markets, because what happens is that you're gonna make mistakes in that day, and then you're gonna blow your profits that you have made at that time. So try by all means to not do that. Try by all means to avoid that mistake. Moving on to point number 4, which is no targets. Yes, no targets. Beginners don't have targets, right? Beginners don't have targets. I don't know what is happening with beginners. You're gonna blow like so many times. You can trade for 7 years if you don't have targets. You're gonna blow for 7 years if you don't have targets. You will see profits if you keep on not having targets. But what I'm trying to say to you guys is that as a trader, you must have targets. Let's say you have a 1,000 rand account. You must target to make 500 rands a day, or even if you target making 300 rands per day. If you see your target, you close those trades. Stop wanting more from the market. Stop wanting more from the markets, because the markets will give you profits and you won't take them, and then you're gonna get into losses, and then you're gonna start doubting yourself. You're gonna feel bad about yourself. You're gonna feel like, why didn't I take those profits? That is your mistake, guys. Stop trying to make more money because the market can go like all that thing. Try to avoid that mistake, guys. It will kill your results. If you see profits, try to make sure that you always lock your trades. Try to make sure that you always secure the back in order for you to see your profitability, so that you can be consistent in the market. Listen to me, guys. Consistency in the market is seen by taking those smaller wins. Those smaller wins are gonna decide whether you are profitable or not. But because some of you guys are greedy, they want more, like within a short period of time. So try by all means to not want more. If you see profits, close those profits, put them in your trading account, and withdraw those profits, right? So that you can see how profitable you are, so that you can see how consistent you are as a trader, guys. So try by all means to reach your targets. So every day when you approach the market, you must make sure that you have targets. You cannot go in a trade without having your daily target. Your daily target will lead you into a weekly target. Your weekly targets would compound into a monthly target. But what I'm trying to say to you guys is that you must focus more on your daily targets, and your daily targets are gonna give you the monthly targets, right, guys? So please make sure that you avoid this mistake too. I hope you guys are writing this down, because it is very important, guys. All right, moving on to the last point of this video, or of this video. So as I told you guys that I'm gonna try to make this video very short. So the last point, it is no stop loss or take profits. I know, guys, I know stop losses can be good or bad. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Stop losses can be good or bad. Why I'm saying this: sometimes you're gonna put a stop loss, the market is gonna hit your stop loss and go to your direction. Sometimes the stop loss will actually save your account, guys. So what I'm trying to say to you guys is that you must try by all means to put stop losses whenever you are placing your trades. And then moving on to take profits, you must set your targets. It is the same as the last point where I've mentioned the targets. You must have take profits whenever you are placing a trade. Have a take profit level, so that whenever the market is reaching that point, it closes your trades automatically, guys. So please make sure that you try by all means to avoid these mistakes that I've just mentioned. You must be disciplined as a trader. You must know what you want from the market. You must know what type of a trader you are. You must know what do you trade in the market, so that you can see profitability and consistency. It's King was your mentor. You know the vibes, guys. You know the vibes. So please, guys, if you have made it to this video, I really appreciate you guys that you have made it into this video until this point. So please make sure that you hit the like button, you comment on the comment section below, and if you want more services, if you need mentoring, please make sure that you go on my Instagram, guys, and contact me. I will also post my WhatsApp number there on the comment section, on the description below, so that you can try and contact me. If you want daily signals, please make sure that you contact me down below. If you want mentoring programs, please make sure that you contact me. It's King was your mentor. You know the vibes. We'll be back again with another video. Down, guys. Thank you.